Welcome to the Virginia Cyber Range. We are a cybersecurity education platform, increasing the number of prepared students one Virginia school at a time. Whether you're a high school, college, or university educator, the Virginia Cyber Range offers a wide range of lessons and exercises to help you prepare your students for the cybersecurity workforce in operations, development, and research. Thousands of educators and students in more than 230 institutions across the Commonwealth use the Virginia Cyber Range for hands-on cybersecurity education as we continue to expand our network. We provide the educational infrastructure, so you don't have to. We supply courseware for educators, an exercise area for students, and capture the flag competitions, where students can practice their cybersecurity skills. If you're teaching cybersecurity in a Virginia public high school, community college, or university, our resources are available to you for free. To sign up, visit our website at virginiacyberrange.org. Together, we can make Virginia a national resource for cybersecurity education.